All right, continuing on with our donning and doffing of PPE, I'm going to move to eye protection or face shields or whatever your facility may use. There's numerous things available currently, and I understand we're in the middle of a pandemic, so things are maybe not the same as they used to be, or it might change frequently depending on what your facility can get. But what I have today is an example of a face shield. This one happens to have Velcro on it. There's also ones that kind of have a plastic band and then the shield clips to it. I've even seen places using almost like a welding shield. And then of course you've got the typical eye protection glasses and goggles, okay? So I'll kind of go over the shield and these two during this video. So again, donning a face shield, nothing real fancy about doing that. Goes on and it protects your eyes. You'll have access to your N95 or your mask, which should go on prior to your eyewear. Just makes things easier, especially if you're using a shield, to be able to get up towards your mouth to put on your respiratory protection. So with the shield, pretty easy to don. Obviously you saw me do it quickly. The one thing I like about these is they're very easy to doff and reduce your possible contamination. This particular shield has foam at the top, which gives about an inch and a half gap between the front of the shield and your forehead. So when you go to doff of it, you can simply pinch the front of the shield and pull it straight up, pull it away from your face, and immediately dispose of it. When it comes to either the eye protection such as this or those goggles, it's really important that you make sure that you have doffed your gloves, washed your hands, or used the hand sanitizer prior to doffing your eye goggles. The reason being is you're close to your eyes and you have a high potential of touching your skin or touching your eyes, especially if it's hot and sweaty like it is right now. So in this scenario, I've already removed my gloves, I've washed my hands, and you want to do the same thing as the shield. Take a corner or two, pinch them as far away from your face as possible, and simply pull them forward. Now, some facilities may reuse these, so if you have a recycling or a washing bucket, put them in there. Otherwise, dispose of them immediately, just as you would with your eye protection.